Hello, I'm Ava. Welcome to my today's episode. In this episode, I will take you into the world of Warren Buffett. The special part of this episode is that we will not only present the investment essence of Berkshire Hathaway shareholders meeting, but also share the in-depth interview of Miss Mary Buffett, who is known as one of the most knowledgeable people in the world of the Warren Buffett's way of doing things and investment decision on Bogu International Investment Forum.
With global markets shocked, especially under the situation that the Federal Reserve continues to raise interest rates and shrinking the balance sheet, U.S. market once fall sharply in the first quarter, but Buffett still determined to increase his position. At the same time, Mr. Buffett still recommends traders to buy the stocks which are with a long-term excellent performance, high return, and a high investment value, instead of trying to dig the stocks which price may rise sharply in the short term away from the past price. Because long-term excellent performance stock is a good company with both performance and leading position in the industry, you dare to take a heavy position. Even if its increase is not particularly large, because you have a large position, it still will bring high returns to your portfolio, and you may obtain relatively large absolute profits. If you dig a stock which price increase quickly, first, the success rate is very low. Second, you dare not enter. Even if you dig a stock which price increase quickly, in fact, the return you get is not too high. Buffett said, in recent years, the global capital market is like a casino where everyone plays games. The way Wall Street makes money is speculation.
It's interesting. Once Warren had told us over Christmas, he said, "Oh, I was thinking about buying Tiffany stock, Tiffany's." And all of the women, we all went, "Oh, yes." And I said, "I love Tiffany." And Warren said, No, Mary. You can love your children, you can love your husband, but you cannot love a stock. You cannot be emotionally involved in a business. You have to take it from a business perspective. And that's how you have to invest and look at the company from a business perspective of investing.
You cannot be emotionally involved in business. You have to take it from the business perspective. Warren Buffett is famous all over the world and for his legendary investment experience and amazing investment income. The lady who just talked about Mr. Buffett's investment philosophy is his daughter-in-law, Mary Buffett.
What do you get the most from studying Buffett's investment philosophy?
I think the thing that I learned and I get the most was patience, was really understanding, really looking into an investment if I was interested in it. Number one, investing in something that I know. I didn't know about technology years ago. I've learned and I continue to learn. And I've now invested. Of course, Warren's invested in Apple. But before Warren, he understood technology was happening because people would say, oh, he doesn't invest in technology, which really wasn't the truth. He knew it was really an important factor and what was happening. But he was waiting to see which one of those companies was going to be around, which company had profitability, management, and so on. And Apple was the company. After years of watching it, it's one of his first holdings in his company, one of his largest holdings. So that's the thing I think I learned the most, was being patient and doing your homework, really studying on whatever you're going to invest in, then taking time. You don't have to invest overnight. Yeah.
Warren Buffett, who has been with Warren Buffett for 13 years, is one of the important members of the Buffett family and a famous investment master on Wall Street. From her speech, she told the audience of the forum that Mr. Warren Buffett is always reading everything, whether it's an annual report from the business or newspapers. He also reads when he gets home and office on the television. This was even before people have computer. Mr. Warren Buffett is always learning and reading, and that doesn't make him understand either business that he is interested in or the things that he already knows about the business. But he wants to learn more, even about competition. So, Mr. Warren Buffett is constantly learning. His deep love reading is one of the reasons that make him so successful.